Amy.
And I'm Phil.
And
We are the Ring Family Farm.
Right now we are going to be carving pumpkins because today this is Halloween and we're kind of late to the party to carve pumpkins, so we're just going to carve it right now.
Yep, get them carved up and we'll get them out on the stoop before trick-or-treating. So
And I think we're going to do a contest.
Are we gonna do a contest?
Contest.
Contest.
Whoever does the coolest or scariest pumpkin.
Coolest
Coolest / scariest.
Okay.
Okay, then I'll do the marker again.
Okay,
Yeah.
and we'll let you guys vote.
You guys vote.
Yep.
All right, here we go.
Here we go.
Here we go, Cardinals.
Here we go, Cardinals.
We're in the middle. Cardinals. We're in the because I get a vampire.
Push.
Because you can see the fangs.
This way. Hey.
I got nice eyes. Hi, people. Oh, whoopsies. Okay, my pumpkin is right here, and here's eyebrows, 2 eyebrows, and then a circle eye or a square eye, a triangle eye, and then a mouth down there. And then I made like a little detail with like things on the side right here. And yeah, that's my pumpkin, and this is Dad's pumpkin.
Ooh, scary. Look at that.
This is my pumpkin, and it's not very clean on the inside because it got noodles. Here's an eye, an eyebrow, it's not very good, and here's another, and then Sharpie for like the eye, and another eye, and then this is the outside, and then the mouth, and then these parts right here that here go down are fangs, right here, and then 2 little teeth. This is Mom's pumpkin. I don't know what she'd do. I think she
it's
went
a kitty
like,
cat.
yeah, that's what I said. I don't know what, but ears, eye, whiskers, and nose.
Yep.
So, these are our pumpkins, and do you want to do a cleaning contest? We do the cleanest? That's going to be me. That has to be me. I'm the winner. This is my pumpkin, and this is how clean it is. Not clean. This is my pumpkin, and it's not very clean because guess what? Mine was made out of macaroni noodles. See? It's macaroni noodles. Hey, there's a seed in there. And then this is Mom's pumpkin, kitty cat. Hers is also made out of macaroni noodles. And it's very clean. This is Dad's pumpkin, and that's very clean.
Okay, so who wins the clean award?
Dad,
Comment down below for who won the cleanest pumpkin.
Dad totally won. No, Mom could.
Hey everyone, today we're working on the goat pen for Amos and Alice. As you can see, we got it set up here. It's right next to the admission, as you can see. So we're working on that, right Bob?
Yep.
We'll get some wire out. We'll start wrapping it with the wire. We got the posts all set. Get the gate on. We'll have another place for the goats to hang out.
All right, we're just gonna fill this up with goat food here.
It's out.
All right, we got this candy machine for my friend Robert, but don't forget to bring your quarters, because you'll have a chance to feed the goats. We made some changes to our admissions this year. You'll still park in the same spot as you did last year. We'll have the fence down. You'll come through here to the admissions booth. Same thing as last year, $3 for adults, $2 for kids, and we'll have some helpers here who can help you out with that. And then on the other side, follow me. Over here, it's still a work in progress, but this is where you'll order your hot chocolate and your coffee if you'd like, and we also will have cookies again this year, so you'll be able to pick this up here. And then we also moved our baling table from, it was over there where you had to come down our driveway. This year we'll have it right here. So you'll be able to take your tree right here and then just pull up and off you go. So it'll help things flow just a little bit better.
Hello, this is Phil. Yes. Well, hello, Santa. Yeah. It's great to talk to you too. It's been a while, yeah. How was your summer? Good, good, yeah. Rudolph? Yeah, he can be naughty, can't he? Yeah, he's a silly deer, that one, or reindeer. What's that? Really? You're gonna, this year? Well, that's awesome, Santa. Okay, yeah. I will definitely let everyone know. Thanks for the call. Yeah, we'll see you in a month. Yep, yeah, bye. You'll never guess this. Santa just called me to check in. I talk to him regularly. Rudolph, he was bad. He always is. He's a silly little deer, but he is gonna deliver trees this year. So if you can't make it out to Ring Family Farm this year, give us a call. We'll have trees online. You can look, see which one you want, style, size. Give us a call. We'll set a tree aside for you, and we'll have Santa deliver it right to your house. How cool is that? Awesome. Well, we can't wait for the Christmas tree season this year. I hope you are excited too. We'll see you soon. Thanks for tuning in this week to Ring Family Farm. Don't forget to join us next week. We got lots of cool things we're doing here at the farm. We got some new things in the lodge.
Yep, new things in the lodge, new things around the tree farm. So we'll show those off to you.
Whoa. Wait, did Santa actually call you?
Yeah, Santa actually called me today. How cool is that?
That's really cool.
Yep, and just don't forget to, Izzy?
Subscribe and ring that bell. Don't forget to like us and share us with your friends.
And don't forget to tune in next week to Ring Family Farm. We'll see you soon. Bye.
Have a great day, people. God, I'm dirty.
If Santa's here, definitely.
Sorry, I wasn't ready. I looked up. Shoot.